friends, we're going to be drawing Angela Martin from The Office. So get those pencils ready. Okay, here we go. So we're going to be doing a caricature of Miss Angela. You can see I'm just starting out with some light lines, just kind of getting a feel for where everything goes. Let's see, where, okay, you're here. All right, so here we go, friends. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to draw her forehead line right there like so. Then it's going to come in for her furrowed brow. And we've got an eye underneath that. We're going to just make that eye out of a circle, leave a little bit of light. And then she's got kind of an eyebrow thing there. Then we're gonna come out for her cheek and down and around like so. Then she's got a nose that comes down and out. And we'll give it a little circle on the end. Then over here, we're gonna draw a big furrowed eyebrow. And we're gonna draw a raised eye with a circle underneath of it. And here is her eye. There we go. She looks very intense, the accountant does. Then for her mouth, we're gonna start out here and make a little M. Come back in the middle. Like so. Give her a little chin line. Then we're going to draw her hair. It's going to come down from this line, come back up, come in, come around, and back in like that. And then we've got her ear here that her hair is behind. That, and then it comes back up like so. All right, now for her little angry body. So we're gonna have her neck be right here. I'm gonna draw a little circle, little cute little, what would you say these are? Little hooks or something, I think they look like to me. Now we're going to draw some lines down, and that's her little collar. And we have a V. Then we're going to draw some shoulders, like so. And some arms, like that. And she's got her hands like clenched like a fist because she's so tense. Now we're going to draw her bust coming in and out. And then on this side, we're going to go in and out, come around, and then her arm is going to come down. Another clenched fist. Up. And we've got the sleeve right there, and then we've got where the shirt comes out from underneath her sweater, and we've got the skirt here, and the legs with a U and a U. And there's the ground. And I think I've got Miss Angela done now. Yeah, looks pretty good. All right. Hey, if you enjoyed drawing Angela Martin, give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to Middle School Art Mania. Thanks for watching.